Hi Libra, this is your channel messages for the 30th of October. I'm your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. I keep looking over here, Libra. I need to look over here. Libra, we're doing your clarity tarot spread. So we're doing clarify my life. Okay, so we're going to clarify about 4 different options in your life. Okay, so we can get some more messages on Libra. Also Libra, did you see the whole thing with Christian Rock? No, Christian Rock go compound bodies. Natalie Nunn. One thing Natalie Nunn has taught us, ever since Bad Girls Club, she was who she was. That woman never changed. I run LA, I run LA, I run LA. Baddie, shut up, right? That woman never changed character. She never came on TV. Listen, I knew what I know, and they know what they know, and that's it, okay? Natalie Nunn has never changed her character on TV. Even when we did cuss her off as a person, she appeared on TV as years later she's the same person. She owned bodies. So apparently Christian Rock is talking about the fact how her bigger sister Taziki did molest, basically force her for oral sex on her. Now I know that there's a lot of people who are, even though we are bigging up this. First of all, let me say something. Christian Rock is a lot of things. She's a fighter. She might be very aggressive. She might be very hard-headed. Christian Rock is not a liar. I believe everything that girl said out her mouth. There's little to zero things she said when we say is a lie. Christian is not a liar. She's a lot of things. She's not a liar. And you see, okay. I don't know which one of my diligent fans were with me months ago when I talked about Christian Rock, when Christian Rock and Blueface thing did air. When our whole family, I think Taziki was the one who had her in the pool. You remember? How she in a one pool with a dog and a dog a bark? And Christiana scream and she said, I don't want to be famous no more. I actually did a reading for that. I did a reading for Christian. And I told Christian that your family sacrificed now to your blood clot. Because Christian Rock was the black sheep of our family, right? Usually Hollywood only pick one. They only pick one out of your family. And even if your whole family was doing music, Hollywood pick one. And usually we come out of a big family. Now Christian was the one, Christian was the black sheep of our family. Christian was the one who did bring our family to Hollywood. And of course, when you are a single person going into Hollywood, sometimes you bring on family members. See, Tyler tried to bring on our sister, but our sister looks very jealous of her. Right? But either way, right? Okay, fine. So now, remember the time when she was in the pool and she had screamed herself, she don't want to be famous no more, and them have this blood clot dog in the pool. Fuck her, oh no, that's why the dog will come back from bite to no and a blood clot ass. 2 years later, after Christian has her baby, Tasigi is exposed for forcing her to commit sexual acts on her when they were younger. You see, Christian Rock put you on, and Christian Rock take it right blood clot back. Never you forget that. They always talk about, you ain't paying homage to the bitch who started this career, right? You should pay homage to the bitch who they put you on, because Christian was the blood clot famous. Christian gave Tasiki that stage on bodies and she took it right blood clot back. So let me tell a lot of people out there, if you don't know, this is what happens when you join blood clot industry. Everything you do in your life, it's going to follow now. Hollywood is going to dig it up. They're going to ask your family for rat you out. They're going to ask your best friend for rat you out. They're going to place you with friends so friends can stay beside you every day for learn your secrets, for bring back information, for know how the fuck to set you up. I live it every day. I tell you, I've been preparing for industry since I was a child. You know, understand this. So if you know, when you see a girl, I try to do her thing and she get famous, and you as a friend, a sister, a mother or a father, bad mind the girl because you can't reach fame like she, you can reach fame, but you need to know, say you need to can handle your downfall just as well. That's why I don't mind people walking and talking my business. You think my mind? Me don't mind people that walk and talk shit about my blood clot family. Them talk shit about my father, allegedly. Them talk shit about my mother. Them talk shit about my family. Them talk blood clot shit about me. Do I give a fuck? How can I give a fuck? Sweetie, that is a life that apparently has chosen me. So that's the first thing. Before you bad mind somebody fame, make sure say you have skeleton in your blood clot closet. So that's the second. So that's the first, second thing, third thing I'm gone so far, right? Okay. I believe Christian. And now Taziki ball out her eye, girl, you can't live this down. Even if Christian say, I forgive you, you can't blood clot live it down. Because in order for Christian to say, I forgive you, you have to admit that you molested her. And then another guy came out saying Taziki did the same thing to him too. We don't know if this is true. But one thing I know, Christian is not a liar. She's not a liar. She's not. A lot of other people in Hollywood, listen, I'm not gonna lie. If you don't want me to, sweetie, North, let me tell you something. I would never ask you to lie. Kim Kardashian lie? Christian Rock is not a liar. So now I am so proud, I am so happy. So Christian Rock said that. I'm a glad girl. And the way how them dog you about your kid and them dog you about all type of thing in Hollywood and then them set you up for blood clot field because what they wanted you to go in Hollywood and then take your name and take your blood clot money. You drop off or you overdose. Christian, expose them blood clot, girl. Expose them. Expose them. Do you have somebody you would like to expose? Email me at carbyouelletvanessa@gmail.com. I will not only read tarot for you, but I will expose your people them dirty blood clot on this channel for you. I will become the advocate. So if you have a dirty blood clot you want me to expose for you, please email me at carbyouelletvanessa@gmail.com and I will be more than happy to take your blood clot side since a dirty motherfucker, since you're dirty blood clot teacher, your dirty pooper, your sexy mother, or your blood clot jealous sister and aunties don't want to take a side, I will. So Christian, we are with you and I'm glad. Cassie could expose P today. Why Christian can't expose her sister? That's why we need to know what the fuck they're doing. Before we pick on people, before we want people life, before we try to thief somebody's destiny. Cause Christian left bodies gonna get pregnant and her sister was there. Before you try to thief somebody pregnancy, make sure so you can deal with the hazing just as well. Cause Christian deal with her hazing very well. You might can't deal with your hazing well after Hollywood dig up the fucker, them dig up on you. That's why me not care when you can't walk and say Scarborough, me fuck off a Scarborough. When you can't walk and talk shit about me. When you can't walk and say me full up a blood clot STD. When you can't walk and say any blood clot thing you want about me. Sweetie, me don't give a fuck. I don't. You will not be the one who is actually paying me. So why the fuck would I give a fuck? You're a viewer. That's all you'll ever be. So go back to your job before your boss fire you because you're late. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. We're seeing what is your clarity tarot spread. Christian, I am happy. I'm glad. Expose them, not a blood clot. Me not care. I don't care. Expose them, yes. So let's see what your clarity tarot spread is. So what do you need to know right now, Libra? We have the Ace of Swords. Christian is a lot of things, Libra. Christian is not a liar. Libra, maybe you got through this, you got through molestation, your family member touch you, your father touch you, your mother touch you, your auntie touch you, your cousins used to touch you. Me getting the truth. Everybody gonna start telling them story. Me see the boy come out and say how she used to touch him and how when him little he used to bang him head on the wall, him drop out of every school, him in a problem with police, how him try to kill himself, and it all this stem from the fact that he was being touched. And the thing is that this is not big people to young people. This is like a 5-year age gap. It's the truth. Me getting you want to tell your truth now, Libra. You scared? The whole of blood clot Scarborough knows so what Italian. Let me tell you let me give you some inspiration. Sweetie, blood clot, girl, about 2 times I get blood clot rape, girl. I get rape in a blood clot, Jamaica, gun point, gun held on my head here, right? So I know what the barrel of a gun feels like on your head. I know what that feels like. So I get rape in a Jamaica, girl. Then when I come to Montreal, I get raped there too, right? One time, the man drug me and I knock out and he raped me while I asleep. And then the second time, he pulled me down while I'm on my period, right? The dirty blood clot rape is Italian man who work for the Jews them. Yeah, Di Stefano, him name Fabrizio Di Stefano, him sister name Anna Di Stefano, and she one blood clot real estate agent. Him father write one blood clot book, and him mother, well, she for blood clot dead, right? So girl, me no mind for walk and chat my blood clot business. You think if Cassidy was scared, P. Diddy wouldn't be behind blood clot bars right now? Remember, nobody was scared of R. Kelly. The elites locked R. Kelly up. The girls weren't scaring for them life while them locked R. Kelly up. R. Kelly was locked the fuck up because R. Kelly only fucked black bitches. Got you there, you see? Because usually Hollywood will get you when you're trying to fuck an underage white girl. R. Kelly was only fucking with black girls. That's why Hollywood didn't like him. He wasn't the type of nigga to be fucking with white women. He wasn't the type of nigga to be giving all his inheritance to white women. All the girls that R. Kelly was fucking were black women. Hollywood did not like that. So end up going back to the story. Yeah, me getting to tell the truth, Libra. Me don't know who did touch you. Girl, this is why I am not going to say I'm going to be the sacrificial lamb, but this is why I choose what me want choose for do. This is why me no go to no college and beg them to train me how to talk and how to start a channel and how to be on TV, because I'll be censored. I don't want my shit censored. So you're afraid to talk your truth, girl. Girl, ask me. How is my dating life going? It's actually going pretty well. I have 53 unread messages on POF right now, and I need to find out if I'm off this week or next week. It's just that the more famous I get on YouTube is the less I need to find somebody for deal with, actually. So this is my fucking issue. So nevertheless, Libra, I want to sing a song for you even though we're there 11 minutes. Libra, I'm guessing you want to tell the truth, Libra. Don't scared. Why you scared of? Why you scared of, Libra? Maybe you were touched. As a man, you were touched. Why you scared for say? Maybe that's why you don't want to be intimate with a girl. You need to tell her. Libra. Lights go out and it can't be saved. Ties and I try to swim again, singing. I brought upon my knees. Oh, I beg and please, singing. Come out of things unsaid. Shoot an apple off my head. Troubles that can't be named. Tigers waiting to be tamed, singing. Libra, this is your time to tell your story, Libra. You're afraid? What are you afraid of? The girl cannot not talk to you because you get molested. Confusion never stops. Closing walls and ticking clocks. Gonna come back and take you home. I could not stop, but you have known, singing. Come out upon my seas. Curse missed opportunities. Am I a part of the cure, or am I part of the disease, singing? You, Libra, are you a part of the cure or part of the disease? Because if you're feared for talk, you're part of the disease. Yeah, the disease will eat for future generations. We talk about protecting our future. We cannot protect our future if our past will not tell us about our past. If the adults not tell you about them past, how the fuck we gonna protect the future? Ace of Swords. It's time to be honest with yourself. You want the girl to tell us that she not fuck two man. You want to know the last time the girl fuck. You want to know how much body count the girl have. The world needs to know so something used to happen to you, Libra. You hide in your shame. That's what the devil likes. The devil likes when you hide your shame and you're afraid to talk it. Okay, you used to get molested, okay. Who haven't? Who hasn't been molested? Who hasn't been molested, Libra? Even if I go on and say, okay, few people get raped in them adults' life. Who has not been molested? I don't know, almost none of my friends who has never been molested. Do all of my friends have been molested? Including blood clot me. So what the fuck you talking about, Libra? You afraid to talk for what? You need to set your blood clot self free. So when you can walk and say I'm homeless, when you can walk and say I'm homeless girl, when you can walk and say Me fuck half a blood clot scar, bro. This may be true, but you still like keep the blood clot secret so you get molested. And you have to walk around with that blood clot shame every fucking day. You have to be beating up girls on dating apps, telling the girl you don't want a blood clot relationship because you're trying to hide the fact that one man used to blood clot molest you, and the way you fuck the girl like a blood clot, man. You fuck the girl the same way the man used to molest you and fuck you, right? But you walk and spread all this rumor upon the blood clot girl. Una can't make me shame. A blood clot Jamaica my born and grow. Una can't blood clot shame me. You know. Oh, you can't blood clot shame me. You can't shame me. Your man can't shame me. Your blood clot mother-in-law can't shame me. And the man who fucking owns the company you work at can't blood clot shame me. And Jamaica my blood clot born and grow. You know that. And half of these Jamaicans here can't shame me either because them whitewash as fuck. So them can't shame me either. They can't. Ace of Swords. Let us continue the reading. So that's what you need help with. You need to know the truth. You need to know somebody's telling the truth. Somebody not lie for clout. Somebody not lie for blood clot likes. Somebody not lie for fucking pity. You have to lie for pity. You have to tell that girl that they don't have a wife for pity. So what you need to embrace, the Queen of Pentacles, you need to embrace that this is a generational thing. Your mother was probably molested too. You didn't know this. She probably never tell you this. So I don't know if your mother molest you, if this earth sign woman molest you, or me getting when you told your mother the truth, she never believed you. That's what I'm getting. I'm getting you should know that anybody who has been sexually molested, chances are your parents were too. She just didn't tell you. Chances are the molestation led to you. She just didn't tell you that. What do you need to release? So embrace your mother. You're closer to your mother than you think. Yeah, your mother might share the same story. Me getting you was raped, your mother might have been raped too. You was molested, your mother probably was molested too. What do you need to release? The Three of Pentacles. So my Three of Pentacles is usually trusting people. Me getting the person who would do it know your mother. Or the person who would do it know your sister. Me getting this is a family friend. This could be a co-worker. Or something like that. Like your mother co-worker used to do this to you. Something like that. But me getting something at work. Something that needs to be discussed about at work. Me getting you need to release Three of Pentacles. You need to release this job. You need to release this collaboration with these three people. Maybe you need to release going into the workforce. Cause me getting you have a pentacle for offer the workforce, but the workforce not take you. Release that. So your job are blacklist you cause you tell the job say you used to get molested. The job are blacklist you cause you tell the job say that man rape you. Society is going to say you don't want you work here so because you went in public and you told the public that you got raped. You tell the public say somebody used to molest you. You point out your abuser and then society punish you and tell you say we don't want you work here so because apparently you were the girl who point out your abuser. So why the fuck you don't want to work for somebody like that? That's like sleeping with a man who's abusing you. Is money that important? It isn't the last time I checked. And people who are having more money than me is watching me. They're tuning into my tarot readings every day. So money ain't that important the last time I checked. So if a company can blacklist you because you expose your blood clot abuser, why the fuck would you want to work for them? You used to say them a blood clot pedophile hider too. Them a rapist hider. Why would you want to fuck with a company like that? They're rapist hiders. What is next for you? The Seven of Wands. Yeah, protect yourself. That's what's next. Don't let anybody in. That's what's next. I know, so you can't trust everybody. Some of our bosses molest their kids. Some of our supervisors molest them kids. Some of the people who we work for, they're the ones who are doing the molestation and the trafficking and the kidnapping. So Libra, it's time for you to free yourself and tell a story. Are you a part of the cure? Do you want to be a part of the problem or the solution? I want to be the whole problem. Don't be the problem, Libra. Be the solution. Chances are, Libra, you should know this, and I don't mean to make you feel fucked up, but if you were molested and you have a kid, the kid going to get molested too. It's just a cycle of life. I don't mean to wish molestation on a child and telling you what's going to happen to your child. So if you think you're going to live with this secret your whole life, you better wake the fuck up. Because the same thing will happen to your kid because you were scared. And you're going to feel twice as fucked up knowing that it happened to you, your mother never saved you, and it happened to your child, and you never saw the signs. So you need to wake the fuck up. You want to give a fuck about what society wants to say about you? Or you want to make sure, say, everybody know that this person is a fucking rapist? Or a molester, or whatever you want to call it. Libra, I hear a word, you know. I'm just reading terror in it. I'm going to leave it here until next time, and goodbye.